How do you know if you have a personal injury case? Just because you may be harmed in a crash or some other circumstance doesn't mean you have a personal injury case. Under the law, you have to show that someone else's negligence caused your harm. So you know you have a personal injury case first if someone else was negligent or careless and their negligence or carelessness harmed you. In order to determine that, oftentimes you have to hire an attorney who has to hire investigators in order to determine who is ultimately responsible for the harm that was caused. Then you also have to have a doctor or doctors who can come in and say that the crash that you were involved with caused the harm that you suffered. And then finally, obviously, you have to have suffered some sort of harm. Therefore, you may have a personal injury case if you can show that someone else was negligent and that negligence caused your harm and you suffered enough harm to warrant pursuing an injury case. I would always recommend under those circumstances, if you're making that decision, to consult with an attorney. Most attorneys, including our law firm, will consult for free. In other words, you can get some information about whether you have a case before you decide whether you need to pursue a case. And oftentimes you don't need to hire a lawyer to actually pursue it. You can do it on your own. But it's good to have an attorney's counsel before you go forward in making that decision. Thank you.